This is a look at the genuine Gerber 97-016. This is a screw kit. Comes with two faceplate screws, handle screw, washer, and the index button. We've got the handle screw here, which can be removed or put in with a Phillips head screwdriver. And this is about right at about ½ inch long. And then the washer here, which is right at about 1/4 inch. Then you've got the index button with the red for hot, blue for cold. And this, across the top's about ½ inch. Overall height is a little less than ½ inch. And then the two faceplate screws, a little more than 1/4 inch there. And the overall length is right at about 3 inches. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 97-016 screw kit.